How to set up action button on your Instagram profile. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram is opening, you go down and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you go to edit profile and you go down to action button. Then here you can add your and set up your action button. For example, order food, book now, reserve, add lead form, and everything. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.